Hey guys, welcome back. So today I was sitting down doing my nails, and this is going to be my birthday set of nails. Ooh. So I have already opened these packages, but it dawned on me after the fact that somebody else may also want, to know what's in these packages and if they're any good or not. I didn't get to use them much. I just kind of opened them to see the quality of everything. But here I am now to finish off my nails, doing the nail art that I'm going to attempt to do today. So I have here the Beatles nail art accessories kit. And I also have here a rhinestone gel with some extra brushes. And this is from Gadgets Entrepot. I will have the links to these two, not affiliate links, just the links of the exact products that I bought in case anyone is interested in them by the end of this video. This is what comes in the Beatles box. So you get gold foil and silver foil. You get a little pot of butterfly confetti that you can use. It also has some glitter in it as well. I'm not sure how useful that'll be, but you get the butterflies in there. You get some striping tape. There are 4 different striping tapes in here. 4, maybe 5. There's like an orange, a red, a silver, a gold, and a holographic one. You get larger stones. You get some teardrop shapes, diamond shapes. What is that? A triangular shape. I don't know what this one singular long one is. An elongated teardrop shape. Yeah, and then like actual diamond shapes, or what we know to be the shape of a diamond versus the, four-sided one. And like I said, I did open these trying to see the quality of them because I was trying to check the size of the stones to see if I would use them today. So that cut was made by me, but you get a collection of clear rhinestones, and they come in 3 different sizes, and then you get your multicolored ones also in 3 different sizes. And then you get, what is this? This is the little wax pencil that you use to pick up the stones and place them. And then you get your brushes. I pulled this one out already because this is the one I plan on using today. I might use a few of the other ones, but all these brushes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes come in here, and they're all different styles and shapes and domed and fanned out and things like that. So if you're really into nail art and you know how to utilize all of these, I'm sure they'll come in handy. For me, I'm gonna do my absolute best. I'm gonna use one as a cleanup brush, which I think this one here will be the best for that as I'm attempting this nail art. This is what I'm gonna use to do the actual art. Here is this long thin one here, and the rest we'll see if they come in handy at all for me, but that's what all comes in there. And then over here we get the pot of the gel. We get 3 brushes. Don't know that all the brushes are necessarily have to be used with the gel that comes in the pot here. I did open this already as well because I wanted to see the consistency of the gel, and because some of the reviews claim that their gel had already come opened, I had to double check and make sure that mine was not. So that was me. I did all that opening myself. It did come completely sealed, and I needed to check the consistency of the gel itself. My voice cracked there. That was weird. Hello, get on. There we go. And then you get these 3 brushes as well, which all relatively look the same. You get this one super thin, tiny little brush over here, which may also come in handy today for me with what I plan on doing. I'm not sure, but we'll leave it out anyway. And then you just get an orange wood stick over here, just to, I guess, use it, push back cuticles and whatnot. This has been coming in handy for me when I'm doing acrylic dip and I want to clean up around the cuticles. I've been using this stick for that, so that has come in the most handy so far. But anywho, all right, Wow. I ordered this nude polish because I wanted to be able to put this on my nails instead of doing the dip nude again for the bajillionth time of my life. And of course, it took so long getting here that I finally gave up. I was like, I need to get my nails done. And the darn thing gets delivered just a little while ago. So I don't know if I should just paint over what I have or keep it moving. I don't know. I'm probably going to test that out really quick and then come back with my decision. But otherwise, I'm going to go ahead, figure that out. And with this quick little transition right here, I'll start getting into the nail art. Alright, so here's the final result of what I was able to do. You guys have no idea how many hours this took. Doing straight lines is so deceptively simple looking, but definitely not easy to do at all. However, overall, I'm in love with the design. I love how it came out, and I have no issues at all with any of the products that I tried out today. All the Beatles brushes, the stones, everything else, I think they look beautiful. The brushes worked great. Able to use them as cleanup brushes, able to use them as nail art brushes. They worked fine. I'm not a professional, so for me being a beginner, I think they worked great. The rhinestone gel, I'll have to leave an update as to how long they last, but I did my best to make sure I made the gel just thick enough so that the stones could sit in them and not have any gapping. And I also made sure to go over it with the top coat to fill in any potential gaps there may have been left over. I would definitely recommend any of these products to anyone. They were relatively cheap too, so definitely worth it if you're looking for something and you're on a budget and don't want anything that's too expensive. So yeah, I am so glad that I finally got to try all these things out, and I'm so happy with the outcome. If you have any further questions about any of the products, just leave them down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You all have an amazing rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!